In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for your Xero subscription. Whether you're a long-time user looking to renew your subscription or a new user getting started, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage your payment without any hassle. First things first, let's head over to Xero's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located on the top right corner of the web page. This is your gateway to access your Xero account. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter the same email you used to sign up for Xero and, of course, the password you've set. After entering your credentials, click on the Log In button to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the nerve center of your Xero account, where you can get a quick overview of your financial situation and navigate to different areas within Xero. Now, paying for your Xero subscription involves a few more steps, starting with selecting the right plan for you. On the top of the dashboard, you'll find an option that says Choose a plan to buy. This is your cue to click and explore the different plans that Xero offers. Selecting the right plan is crucial, as it should align with your business needs, offering you the features that are most essential for managing your finances. After clicking on Choose a Plan to Buy, you'll be taken to a page where you can review the various plans in more detail. Take your time to compare the features and pricing of each plan. Once you've decided on the plan that suits your business best, click on it to proceed. Following your selection, you'll be prompted to continue to add-ons. Add-ons are additional features or services that can enhance your experience with Xero. They're optional, but it's worth checking out what's available, as you might find something that could be valuable to your business operations. However, if none of the add-ons catch your eye, you can simply click on Continue to Add-ons without selecting any to proceed. The next step involves your billing account. Here you'll need to either confirm the details of an existing billing account, if you have one, or enter the information for a new one. Make sure all the details are accurate to ensure a smooth transaction. After confirming your billing account, it's time to review your order. At this stage, you'll see a summary of your selected plan and any add-ons you've chosen, along with the total cost. It's a good opportunity to double check everything before committing to the payment. If everything looks good, click on Continue to Review and Pay to move on to the final step. Finally, we arrive at the payment. You'll be asked to provide your card details. Fill in all the required fields with your credit or debit card information. Make sure to double check the card number, expiration date, and CVV code for any mistakes to avoid transaction errors. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, go ahead and click on the button to confirm your payment. And that's it. You've now successfully paid for your Xero subscription. Congratulations! Your account should now be fully activated or renewed, and you're all set to continue managing your finances with Xero. Keep in mind that managing your subscription is a straightforward task with Xero, but should you run into any issues or have any questions, their customer support team is readily available to assist you. In closing, we've gone through the entire process of paying for a Xero subscription, from logging in to finalizing your payment. It's processes like these, designed to be as seamless as possible, that make Xero a go-to choice for many businesses around the world. Stick around for more tutorials like this, aimed at making your financial management tasks as simple and straightforward as possible.